guys, today we're going to be making Spanish rice. We have some rice soaking in here, about 2 cups.
Yeah.
So 4 cloves of garlic, 2 peppers, 2 fat peppers, 1 onion, and some tomatoes.
Yeah.
That have been boiled, and then the skin comes off.
Yeah. We're gonna peel the skin. You can you can add regular tomatoes in tomato sauce, like crushed tomatoes. But I had these cherry tomatoes that had to be used up, so I just boiled them for like 5 minutes, and now I'll show you the skin comes out really fast. Okay, what else? We're gonna be using some regular tomato sauce, some turmeric, some cumin, probably some oregano too. I have some smoked paprika, that's just a different box. I'm gonna use some vegetable broth, and you can normally add either corn or some beans, but again I had these chickpeas that had to be used up, so I'm gonna be using those. Some salt, some pepper, and some olive oil. Let's get started. In a pan, we will add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. That should be enough. And now Sarah will bring me the onions. And the pepper. And I have this on high. So we're gonna stir fry them for 1 to 2 minutes until the onions become translucent. And now right in the center we're gonna add the garlic. I'm gonna leave it for a few seconds right in the middle, and then I'm gonna mix it with the rest of the onions. Next I'm gonna add some salt and some black pepper. I'm gonna add the rice. And I have added 2 cups of rice. So for each cup of rice, you have to add 2 cups of water. So now I'm gonna add 4 cups of water. Okay, and go and get one more. And I'm gonna add the bouillon, just about it, and the rest of the water. Well done.
Thanks. Next, we're gonna add the tomatoes.
Okay, carefully, this way.
I think you're gonna have to do this.
There.
Looks like a tomato paste.
And now we're gonna add some more tomato paste.
Really?
I'm gonna add about 2, 3, about 4 tablespoons. I'm gonna give it a quick stir. And then I'm gonna add the rest of the spices. Next, I'm gonna add about half teaspoon of turmeric. You can skip the turmeric if you want to, but it's really healthy. About 1 teaspoon of cumin powder. And about 1 teaspoon of sweet smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika, you can use hot paprika if you want to. And now I'm gonna add some chickpeas. I would say about half of this can. Alright, that should be enough. I'm gonna give everything a quick stir, and very gentle stir. I'm gonna add some more olive oil now, just a little bit, about 2 more tablespoons. 1, 2. Now stir it. I will cover it and let it simmer for about 25 minutes. I forgot to add the oregano. There. About 1 teaspoon. This is the rice after about 25 minutes of boiling. I did not stir, so please don't stir while boiling. Now I'm gonna try to flip it on the other side, and I'm gonna show you how. And then gently flip. Gently flip. You don't want to mash the rice or the vegetables. Just gently flip it. And right here in the center and flip it. I'm gonna shake the pan so it's evenly distributed. And I'm gonna boil it for, I would say, 20 more minutes. And it's done.
And this is how it looks like. It's cooked perfectly. I hope you really like the recipe. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!